Salty's on again.
We've lost count. Yeah, some of them pull bloody hard.
Oh, no, I say they got some good pull in them, haven't
They're
they?
not the biggest fish in the ocean, but I tell you what, they go
Powerful.
They go pretty good. Morning, guys. Beautiful fresh morning this morning. Boat ramp is pumping. It's the weekend. And it's the first opportunity me and Pop have had to get the boat in the water since our little dramas. So we've done everything we can think of maintenance wise. All we've got to try and do now is get the boat out, and fingers crossed we have no issues. So that's the boat ramp this morning. So, and Pop's in the boat, so we'll get going. Righto guys, we're underway. She was a little bit slow to start this morning, but it hasn't been run since we got towed in. Hopefully all is good. I haven't got much wood on here to touch, so yeah, fingers crossed for us guys. And a lot of boats heading out. That's Salty Skipper over there, I believe. Yeah, I got it. That's actually a bird.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, just shook its head.
Come on.
You got a fish. I'm going to log in guys, but Pop's onto a fish already, so I'll get back to that. Little pinky by the knocky knock.
Yeah.
Pop caught the last fish on this boat too, the bastard. Yeah, a little pinky, little knock knock. That one definitely be going back. There you go, Pop. Lucky bastard.
First cast.
What do we say, guys? Fuck you, Pop. Oh, fuck you, Pop's at it again, guys.
With a pinky.
Can't take him anywhere. Catches all the fish. You're saying a pinky. It looks like a pinky. I don't mean it's a monster pinky.
No, it's not.
It's a bubby pinky. I think it's a little bit bigger than the last one, or about the same. About the same. Good junior ones. I say, guys, we're not going far today. It's our first trip out since we've had boat issues, so we're staying relatively close. There you go. Yeah, Pop likes to, they're embarrassed because Pop likes to cover their faces. So, there you go. Pop's going for number 3 fish, but it doesn't look like it's too fucking big.
No, there's no fish on there.
Oh, it's no fish.
I've got it off the bottom.
Ah, there it goes. Maybe Daz will catch a fish. Pop's line's out the water. I might get a look in. He's getting bites, and I've even got muley on mine, and I'm still not getting anything.
That was a really good bite.
Got a fish, guys. Finally got a fish. Not a monster, but it's a fish. Can't let Pop have all the fun. I'm guessing a small pinky or something like that. Get a bit of colour in a minute. Maybe a, I don't know, maybe a Skippy running out there.
Running out there like that.
Yeah.
There's Skippy.
And unfortunately, I think I've picked up your surface line, Pop.
Right out there?
Well, I've picked up something.
Yeah, it's my other line.
Oh, it's your bottom rig.
Yeah.
Oh, I've made a right mess of it. Oh, made a right mess of that. But Skippy, guys, I'll get Pop to turn the camera off and then we'll sort this shit out. Right, guys. That'll fuck Pop up for a while. Can't catch more fish than me if you can't get your line in the water. It's a bit of sabotage. Salty's on. He's going to try and fuck up Pop's gear once more. I'd get your gear out of the water if I was you, Pop. Give me the camera. Because I'm going that way. I think I'm clear of you, so just take the camera back. I'm clear of you. Yeah, quick,
what about
quick.
my surface rod?
Doesn't matter now. The fish is just here.
Oh, big Skippy.
There you go. But you're not filming. Fuck off, Pop. I know you're embarrassed that I've caught up. So I actually filmed Soldy. Yeah. That's 2 Skippy. So Pop's just relieved I didn't fuck his gear up once more. But yeah.
Yeah, especially after just setting it back up.
Yeah, sucks to be you. There we go.
He's getting that.
That's his on again. Haven't even got my other rod back out. I'm reckoning another. Oh no. I don't know if it's a Skippy. We'll know if it runs a bit more. It's coming up. Bit of colour.
Skippy.
Big Skippy. Oh, Daz has found a Skippy patch. So there we go, guys. It ain't snapper and it ain't G-fish, but it's a fish. And you know what this says too?
3-2.
3-2 to Daz.
3-3.
Oh, it's not on the boat yet, Sunshine. It's not on the boat. Get it on the boat and then we can say that.
Mandra Marine Rescue, Mandra Marine Rescue. This is Westwide 1 on H2.
Oh.
Over.
What do you got?
Oh, look at that.
Brass.
Big grass.
Bit of bait. So Pop's got 3. Daz has got 3. The difference is I got 3 in the esky. Pop's got, he'll have 1 in the esky, but it'll be bait. So we'll leave it at that. So even Stevens, guys. Oh, Pop's trying to claim the lead back. Daz is going to get fish in a second too, so you just keep it your way, Pop. Don't fuck my gear
I
up.
don't want to fuck anybody's gear up.
Hey, you keep it over there. Fuck, that's a good one. Put her on board. Doesn't count till it's on the deck. Woohoo!
Phew.
Pop's got his first Skippy. That's a good one too. It's probably the biggest. For now.
Oh, look at it, it's just in the lip.
But they always are. They always just lip those fucking things. Show us your fish, Pop. Show us your fish.
Grunter.
There we go. Pop Skippy. Woo-hoo. Don't drop your rod. They go hard.
You might have got off.
Keep.
Yeah.
Yeah, lost them. Be the Skippy, guys. They've got quite soft mouths, so if you go too hard on them, you often pull the hook. I just lost a ripper then, and I think it was more my over keenness.
Soldy's on.
Again.
Another less Skippy by the looks of it. We've got a good Skippy patch.
Yeah, good big patch.
You've got a bit of fight in him.
Yeah, he has.
Yeah.
He's not bad, and I've foul-hooked him a bit. I think I got one hook in his mouth and one in his cheek.
Yeah.
So there we go. We must be on the biggest patch of Skippy out there. So I'm actually hungry, guys. I want to have a sandwich, but we got rods going everywhere. We must have a massive patch of Skippy under us. As soon as you drop a line in, you're getting a fish, or they're stripping your bait. What have we got? Oh, Pop's got a pinky. It's even better. It's not size, but it's a different species, and hopefully Mummy or Daddy's out there and we'll get a bloody pinky in our belt. We really need to get a decent pinky today. That's be nice. Well, I'll turn the camera off because this could take a while. So. Plus, I've got fish to catch.
Yeah, so
I can see it, so I know it's there. I know it's a Skippy. There's a school of them. Oh, don't go around me fucking line! Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Let's see if I can. He's a little one. I'm going to let this one go. One, because I want to let him go, and two, I want to try and get my line sorted out. before it goes off. But you can see the Skippy school following them up.
There. Right.
Don't give him a chance to swim around in big circles down there. Probably not a big one, but...
What the hell is that?
Oh, Western Blue Devil. Haven't seen one of them for a little bit. Beautiful fish, pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll come around here, hold him in the sun. Yeah, get him up in the sunlight. Yeah, I mean, how pretty is that, guys? Very pretty fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. I believe they're actually a relative to the G-fish. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's just what I believe. And sometimes what you believe is what you believe, guys. Pop was trying to ignore my fish and just keep fishing. He didn't want to film.
Well, I was getting bites.
Yeah, well, that's life, guys. Life on the salty boat. If somebody's got a fish on, you got to be cameraman. Hey.
What happens if I get one on now?
Oh, you just have to deal with that. You can catch a fish now. One's on the boat. Pop's got a fish on. See, I told him as soon as I finish, you can have it. You don't hear me whinging about being cameraman. Mind you, haven't got a fish on my other rod. This has got a bit of poke in it. Still be a Skippy by the way it's swimming around. Jesus, got a turbocharge. Get her on board. Wing her up. Oh, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. It's not on the boat.
Salty's on again.
We've lost count. Yeah, some of them pull bloody hard.
Oh no, I say they got some good pull in them, haven't
They're
they?
not the biggest fish in the ocean, but I tell you what, they go pretty good.
Ah,
I can see it's a Skippy. Problem is, like I said, guys, they have very soft mouths, so you have to. A lot of fucking size of that one.
oh!
Look at that one.
I thought it'd be a good
Yeah, in
one.
the sunshine, so we get the sun on it. Yeah, that's all right. I mean, I'm watching Pop's rod behind him. He'll be handing me the camera in a section. So yeah, hot bite, hot Skippy bite. Don't turn it off because your rod's hooked up. So he's on. Going hard, going hard. I think the competition's over, guys, because I have no idea who's caught what at the moment. It's going too thick and fast. I don't know how long this bite can continue. It might even get to the point where we'll bag out on him. I mean, Pop's going hard because he's butt hooked it. He's butt hooked it. Hey! Butt hooked it. You'd swim hard if you had a hook hanging out your ass. That's all I can say.
We've got to jag one at least every time I come out.
Oh, poor fucking thing. Oh, false alarm. False alarm. Give it a minute.
Still having a go at it.
That means your bait's still there, so. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. He's gonna jag this. Probably right up its clacker. Probably right up its arsehole. That's why they run so hard. It's like a finger in the bum.
I'm gone.
Oh, he's gonna pull out. He's still there, still swimming.
Fucking hell,
Yeah, he's gonna get his own line if you're not careful. And then he can't yell at anybody but himself. That's pretty big. Got him in the eyeball.
No matter how you get him.
Well, that's all right. Stand in the sun. Stand in the sun. It's just that the fish look better then. I want to hurry up because I'm going to have to catch my fish in it. So get the fish in the sun. Right? You're in the sun. Just no, that way. Yeah, you go back and then the sun will be on you. There you go. It's not that hard. Don't show the passing boats. They'll all want a piece of the action. It's different to a skippy. I still think it's a skippy, but
Yeah.
literally need to have a sandwich, guys, and I haven't had time. And my surface rod's about to go. Skippy had a break for about 10 minutes. Oh, and I lost him there. He's just dropped off at the boat.
It was a skippy,
Was a
was it?
skippy, yeah. Might leave this out so I can get a sandwich.
Sandwich for Salty.
I'm on a weight loss program. Every time I go to the lunchbox, I get hit. Probably another skippy. They go pretty hard, guys. They go pretty hard. Bit of colour. Oh, fucking hell. The good news is I got a skippy. Bad news, Pop, is I've got your gear
I'm not
again.
again.
If you can't beat them, tangle them up, guys. Tangle them up. It's twice today I've done that to Pop. And I wasn't even trying.
Here we go again.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Look, look.
Skippy.
Can you see the school? Just show it down in the water.
Yeah.
There's a lot of skippy down there. I'm just going to keep it lower in the water. Can you see that, guys? I'm not letting him come over to your line.
No, don't
He's
you
got
fucking dare.
There he is. I've got two.
Double header.
I got two, but I've got my own line, but I've got two. That's not bad going. If I can get that from around my line, I'll show you. Oh, he's dropped one into the well. That's all right.
You can't get out there.
Can't get out. I'm not too panicked anyway. Another skippy.
Yeah. I'm just seeing if I see anything coming up with it.
Just tell by the way it's swimming.
You're lucky.
It's got to the point where we're actually keeping no more. The fish is still biting. Look at that, guys. My rod's off now. Pop's just going to have to take over on the camera. Jesus.
Hmm?
I said, Jesus, this one's got a bit of pull on it. It's still a skippy. You can just tell by the knot, but
Right.
whether I foul hooked him.
I'm lucky I've got my line out of the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely a skippy.
Some of them go hard.
Right.
He's a bit foul hooked, that's why. Like we're saying, we've got that many of them now, we're going to chug them back. Check out those conditions, guys. Check it out. Absolute fucking ripper. You reckon, Pop?
Oh, magic.
Magic, he's
Yeah,
catching fish.
I'm happy catching fish.
Catching
on a
fish, the
beautiful
water's
day.
flat.
I've even had to eat my
Look at the
sandwich.
esky lid. It's covered in blood. And it's not ours. Woohoo! That's awesome out there, guys. Look at that. It's absolute magic. We actually had anchored earlier, and that's where we were getting all the skippy. But the problem is, that's all we were catching. Well, Pop caught a few other things, but I couldn't get past the skippy. So we've actually pulled anchor and going to do a little slow drift just to see if we can find something other than skippy, because we've got our fill of skippy. We'd like a snapper or a dewey or black ass or anything. King George whiting, anything. Something different.
Salty's on.
Let's see if I can catch something
Different to a
different
skippy.
to a skippy. This feels more like a little pinky, in all honesty. Got a little bit of colour down there. Just try and keep him away from our drift anchor. I've got a feeling.
Yeah, I think you got the drift anchor.
No, I'll let him off so we get him
Right.
away from that. Looks like a fucking Skippy.
Oh, yeah, Skippy.
Skippy and drift anchor. Skippy are cunts for just wrapping you up in everything, guys. So we'll see if I can just get in closer, get him off, get that fucking drift anchor out of the way. Bloody Skippy tangle everything up. I've got him out of the drift anchor. I think Pop's okay.
Yeah, I'm okay.
And we'll let him go because, like I say, we've got plenty. We actually went back to drifting to try and get away from these things. Fucking off like a rocket. Can you see it?
No,
You can just tell.
The way they pull. Wait, anyway.
Yeah, you can tell it's a Skippy because he's doing the big...
That's not, it's a Dewey.
Yeah, you're shitting me. Well, get him on board because this is going off shit.
Yeah.
Just in case this is something different. I'm still not convinced it won't be a Skippy, guys. It's going up now. That's a Skippy. This how you catch Skippy, guys. There's not many down there. I got two assist hooks and I've got 2 Skippy. No wonder she's pulling. Bloody hell. Oh well, they'll go back. Pop's caught all the different fish today. I've only caught the same fish time after time, and Pop's on his other rod. I just
Big Dewey this time.
it'd be another Skippy.
Pinky.
Nice if it was.
It's a different.
Yeah, but when you catch 2 at a time.
Yeah, Skippy.
Yeah, look at them all. Ah, Skippy there. They're boring now.
Darren's hoping for something other than a Skippy.
Skippy are like blowfish today. What have we got? Hey!
Pinky!
There you go. Finally, the first fish I've caught all day that's not a Skippy. Little Pinky. It's got to go back, but at least I caught something. Let me take him off and chuck him back. As soon as we get back, I would have been dumbfounded if we didn't get Skippy here. It's not swimming around, but...
That's a Pinky.
Little Pinky? You get the little Pinkies. I'm aiming for that big fucker. Yeah. Little Barbie Pinky. Little Pinky for Pop. Yeah, he says, fuck you, Pop. There you go, Pinky for Pop. Doesn't look that big.
No.
It's smaller than whatever the last one was, or it looks that way.
That's Pinky.
Oh, Skippy have gone away. The Pinkies have moved in. Maybe my luck's in. Still time for Dad to get the big one. Still time. Pop big skip.
I don't think so. It's not swimming.
That's a Skippy.
Is it?
That's a Skippy. It's a big Skippy. Stonker skip. And you've got him foul hook.
That's why.
That always puts a couple of kilos on him. Huh. You got him by the armpit.
Instead of the arsehole.
Yeah. Oh, Pop's got another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, little Pinky. Bubby Pinky. Fuck the Bubby, I want the big fucker.
7 today.
He's having a big day out, big day out. Sleep well tonight. I don't know how many fish I've caught. I've caught a lot of fish, but I can tell you I've only caught one that's not a skippy. Okay, Pop wants to show his fish again. He's that big, it's hiding behind his hand, so I don't know why he's so proud. Righto guys, back out in the boat after a long time today, so yeah, you'll get a boat video which you haven't had other than us being towed in for a while. What I'd like, I'm still trying to grow the channel guys, and for that I'm ever reliant on you as viewers. I'd love it if you can share it with your friends and family and get them to subscribe. Also, if you subscribe to Salty Daz, just remember to hit that little bell button that's next to the subscribe. That'll give you a notification then when I put a video up. That way you won't miss out on anything. That'll keep you up there and up to date. That'll be a huge help for me. I really like to grow the channel. It is growing, but it's so painfully slow. I need your help. So if you can do that for Salty and for old Pop, I'm sure Pop would appreciate it. That would be awesome, guys. Cheers.